The Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is not just a motorcycle. It's a declaration of performance, precision, and prestige, born on the racetrack and refined for the streets. This machine is the pinnacle of Italian engineering and passion. With a lineage that draws from World Superbike Championships and MotoGP experience, the RSV4 Factory 1100 is a superbike that doesn't just promise speed. It demands respect. The moment you approach it, the aggressive styling and aerodynamic sculpting make it clear that this is no ordinary ride. Every curve and every edge has been meticulously designed for maximum downforce, stability, and visual impact. The winglets integrated into the front fairing aren't just for show. They generate real aerodynamic benefits that you can feel when you're pushing the limits. At the heart of the RSV4 Factory 1100 lies a fire-breathing 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine that roars with character and raw power. This engine is a masterpiece, delivering an astonishing 217 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 125 Newton-meters of torque. The sensation of acceleration is absolutely addictive, launching the bike forward with a ferocity that few others can match. The sound alone is something that resonates deep in the chest. A thunderous, mechanical symphony that screams performance. But it's not just about brute force. Aprilia has fine-tuned every element of the bike to ensure a perfect balance between power and control. Ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and a refined traction control system make sure you're always in charge, whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the apex on a track day. The chassis of the RSV4 Factory 1100 is just as impressive as the engine. Aprilia's racing DNA is evident in the fully adjustable aluminum twin-spar frame, which offers both rigidity and feedback. Handling is razor-sharp, and the bike feels incredibly stable at high speeds. You can dive into corners with confidence, knowing the bike will respond with surgical precision. The suspension setup is top-tier, featuring Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension that adapts in real time to road conditions and rider inputs. Whether you're hitting rough city streets or a smooth racetrack, the suspension delivers the perfect balance of comfort and performance. Braking is equally robust, with Brembo Stylema calipers gripping massive 330mm discs up front, offering superb stopping power and consistent feel even under intense use. Aprilia hasn't just focused on the mechanics. The RSV4 Factory 1100 is also a technological marvel. The 5-inch TFT display is crisp, colorful, and packed with information. The Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC, suite offers a comprehensive set of electronics, including traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine brake control, and cruise control. These systems are not just safety nets. They are performance tools that allow riders to push the limits without overstepping them. The bike even comes with a 6-axis IMU that consta.